Hello, agus fáici hiic na seansaí mas fáile chance ghlacu ghlaciad na seanslaí is mu se hiú McGill cheada agus tamach ó Moscow margin. You wouldn't even believe it cé go Moscow just a tema. Tamach ó Moscow agus méid genú seo. It's níamid dú tappa seo rudí blú ar margin sa dáir go muinan a bheith a bhile cheada. Tá man seo marscra le muid cóleaci le muid chuidir ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí mar tú.
An jiglam just ará ní comórtas atá an faoi cén den atá méidir smó foiinniu chumáin. Ní dóilm go bhain hin nániu, to be honest. A muid a haingta má has an labhí lua míallar gur bhí seisnig an gym máin, I mean, ugh, what a loser.
Yeah.
Dhéanamh.
Yeah, definitely they're Oakmorts, and I don't think Gamin Boog it's a anya we fun of well it can't be dingy be a tarns dingy has labby to my child faster like James O'Flyer the James Gibraltar.
Ma intoch agus am kommer on I think mo grutam. So that's a plus. You know, to my age my body gym will have 6 Amazon tá on trainer vi ag an gym. Sim se hólé nochen ach tá se backin sé ríis le rang an a CrossFit, so it's all go baby. Deir fall fit chun fel go Toronto ag an mísa agus nuair tá agran seo mó be má tosaí mo stint an deir seachtainna seo ó cean gan na cluthaí a bheits am amachchas tríchin I trí lá, so béis sin andas. Ach chun na héna rewardal tá go péidir búta sí pere nua I cheannacht a mé ri costasach agus ní me gera an costa sin a disclosal because ceapan go mé daoine really disappointed in them.
And we'll like racing stripes are who that's in McKenzie that's in for go main rodin these costs to see. It's like they've got speed holes in them. Shouldn't for should co costs that. Kane size broggy it. You don't have to you can't do Kane costas Gajira, but like Kane size brog too.
Okay, so ma airmlad on kinal bro gitan.
Okay.
Also Guardini go Google in the
literally for some literally Oscar Chogo third cat screen Ella. Bima immediately like just more hamplet if you had to describe the brog me.
Okay, so to go backstory for it, right?
Okay, go on.
So my forcing is you tell showed na booty she a bhí me se caha achan bblion be. Wat boot sin nu am agus is showed in a keen a bhíoch am. So tá remake stinte imliana ag Adidas agus is siad na Adidas Predators leis an tanga orú agus tá sé dover fad le darug, so obviously club dahanna club I rua agus tá began beg luminous green and luminous buoyant, so tá sam go Google is clear, so tá ar fad go tú god on costas na broga seo álamach agus
go on to make it
ní chuna iad lú.
Okay, group chat.
But via so Holus there's two Braga Vervelme Canada. I was like Predators, absolutely. They are like Imochense. That is like the football boot. Like Imochense, like Nurse Muchimse or if you pair Ogamse or mini saga. That's how you know they're ubiquitous. Like and lad few nach mean really gimmers. Have you shy to get on with
iconic like oh man, that shit cool, man. So un kinál on reasoning it am got raw na go my gamers tournament in Toronto, so I might as well splash out because it's really cool. I guess air on television so
Imritunis Féile.
Yeah, exactly. Confidence key. Famous bank account ní fully
Ní héileéis fully on.
No, gur marach actually kind of see her.
I was gonna say I was like these are so reasonable. Oh no, test fact I've now seen the ones.
Gur marach is so you have to so the Ermid actually the pre-order on because they ran out of stock. So so
you can You can personalize them. Hyd the anim chu arthú.
Yeah, ní má go sin I'm not that much
Coward.
James Dan.
Coward.
I'm not that much of a
Loser.
confident person.
I
So cruise the chat in Instagram, so affection and price.
Just don't say your bag is empty.
Oops.
James is learning how to use technology. Agus James ag gúsáid ar Gary Shaw ar hogan tá rud go gaiimiid lé cos ní agran níos chatans fé hart. Tá Féile na Gealaí just ní a bheith búin.
Yeah, there's a to change I think.
Yeah, I think we're so good vasta. So we feeling like
hell, James.
Yeah.
Was like that grammar for your version now. You brand is flights.
No.
They can call my flights at a price and you're like, whoo. Oh, steady up there now, Ryan.
Yes. Slow down, Ryan. And then back into the butty shot. And you're
like, I know come again go Greece, but
but not that badly.
Not that bad.
Whereas back into in the Broggy show, it's back into class this and you're like, perfect. This is totally reasonable.
What a bargain.
Féile na Gealaí imbliana. Bhí se búteilinn. Seo ar tríú uair ag dul cheala.
Yeah.
Which is madness go sin an majority. Cadar capsibh ar one salt as an crack.
Well, sin winnar mahan blian sean blian is fear ó hé an ceol de, but ar an ceol níos fear ahan blian like sílam like okay tan ceol is fear feici gom as an sin hagan rodégan inta uair má like bhí an ceol just ó chreirt im léana bhí an pagan rave sin mar buaicphointí allward in my ar seachtainna
huairtan tá siad fucking unreal.
Oh my god, as an slua a thug siad ag an státe nurse waiting to an tam den tróna níor si go dearnach sin as fós bhí ahan duna sa láthair campála is tíhann sin bhí si
all being like
oh my god bhí na mask in ear huas and paint and na chalí níos bhí si generally like na sort of rituals agus bhí si just blasta absolutely blasta agus
chef's kiss
jiggy an sin ar an státe in dhé an ihe sin as bhí siad san Ínta mai óna ceanháin na canú agus fiú de banní mení hid híine hanig trini ceanháin mar dáte canmór an chanos as bhí sé just dríochta I think just grom ceol ar chaidan gatam lína as bhí joy Dunlop an sin canú
yes
ar an na halabanna bhí just deir seachna an bhlasta de cheol an sílam héin.
Yeah, bhí se go má go clear me se an air le sin because an úd a chas me se le was ag an edachtas.
Oh yes, sorry.
Oh le joy, yeah.
Yeah, so bhí si constant ag an edachtas agus obviously is Gaelic bhí si láirt.
Yeah.
Ní Ross amsa go Gaelic atá aice. So bhí si constant agus so bhí me se agsú le Gaeilge.
Yeah.
Agus bhí si constant agus bhí me cinna rá, okay, cheapin go bin Gaeilge? Ach ní hén rudí a chluisme go dtí seo. So cheap me se nar bhí si constant. Bhí strank mór aisteach an mistréis, má cheap me se grom se fá stroke nar bhí me I constant.
Bhí James Bolú toast dóte.
Bhí me
left side.
Look like ní cheap me grom a stúma go dtí sin ach hí me sí so si constant dús me look
I have to go to bed.
Yeah. I think go mo chrí got 90 drugs ní clú am kitú rá agus tá fatas an downer go a fáháis.
Ag dúirtí sin grotú kind of a doáil ar cooldaí in éisian like ní rotaí eye contact tíanú leihí?
Yeah, ma bhí me cepa go méid go just fucking basically ceap go bí ban síhí an nuircinn sa deide go chuú láma le go má fá stroke jeez ní bhín éonú me gná
de lá é.
An dé is na bhíú de goil joy cos le like Gaelic royalty go mín si ar bí alba a genú an aimsir agus tá sí cóhananta ar bhanan or an Gaelic just códeas mar gona.
Níim se rá nach bhfuil bu just ag an am sin go mó híal cheap má go má fáir.
Ar fá like an uair sin ag an airachtas, you're like the seáid rud is massa a
Yeah. Agus bhí chulann ar a timpplairm, bhí sé like normalta. So sin scanú I bhí tarlú. So bhí like If I go enough normals, if Michigan is a cholesterol, so you're like, yeah, it's definitely Michigan. So yeah, at that stage, we might, I think we're my ski from our already. We might like, oh, geez, check mom, just got up, got a while to be honest.
A hookery to 100 lehí ar hookery, he's a
Oh yeah, dus my ta brother me al. Nu de chonig mo, check go for stroke, me ní higmo, ach níos tigim go Gealaí ví art. So
Fós ní hiigem hu ach.
Yeah, fós ní hiigimú ach tuige min is nach ma fá wás nu to lauslaat.
Ach diggin dus a Gaelic seki, cos sé con cos an dói Lauren Hugh.
Oh, like tuige well like ring you link beganí a Gaelic just chun you know chun Taves Hughes back on me all you like raw this can't happen again.
This is supposed to be like Kimar a hahu and
exactly
like come on and you're like Tamakacha and
Thought I'm good cut it's you know just so similar but like it's got been focal on though mental so we like yeah but other than that yeah I'm sure there's after one yeah so ní heb come forward so that's a plus
that is a major plus
yeah I was yeah look at the hand I give them props in Rihanna a friend the Gealaí hín pizza go ma
Hín bia a lig an wai hí chicken and chips hí chicken tacos a dhéanú ag fearr hí siad do creite
acai bowl on
James I'd go full on
Michigan be like bhín chips really jazz
chip
breakfast really jazz
who's muid má the sign agus nu from acai bowl as coffee ví like oh do go full on Díach duration you do know godol my heart at 20 pints so it's unlike go like health king man at that it's just hang you on acai bowl like so
Glenwood cover me if there's James
a little acai bowl is a treat 20 pints is a treat it's Gealaí and rud Kieran
balance
te their co in this league co Bálan is just it's her Gealaí ar méid Jean fihipunti and méid dahar Kieran is a yen and sláinte game acai bowl away Fin hangover cures mo
an waki sib an sort highlights reel rinne mé an Deirseachna níor thug mé fi dearan méid sort nómatí iconic a bhí James a ri Deirseachna bhí rudí ar ma camera ná rosa gom grotíhan like fi an de James a garchteach ma camera have you seen the B movie or do you know the B movie
yeah ar leir ceolchum
yeah let's make the green air and
yeah because Barry B. Benson Barry B. Benson man the Riz cartoonist like come on like
I mean good Shay ban as far as an actual like dinne be all
like is Bach a bhí on if you got a Bach with a full grown woman that is Riz sin definition Barry B. Risington
grab Bach goes around like buzz Barry B goes like Riz
Gealaí oh yeah James Samala cuddalta a Jennyir bhí sé condul as a coffee agus as acai bowl a island Samala cuddalta ach níor leis dul hair na strang ní a pub leile
no you should draw fucking ord yeah
rinne sé right
that sin to torch má faoin an height a bhí in the strang here in the bubble ní acma sin and I was bhí ma cho confused nuair a tháinig ma an fi sin because I cap ma gur walk ma 100 and then just feck him James got a heart like he's being eaten alive by a sleeping bag and
yeah Ridderman's sort executive decision an uime ágáil stík an ceol chu leis just cos mar hil me gro an rud sort of cohorganach agus James in his element
if you like na fi an chuú soos nach go me le feiciil an Tá má fós a close as a background rá things really stupid like
oh really
yeah so un ceála tatu was an glúna jazz for the way Pauline yeah, tá mar ráir cinn tic background an bhir le tá am lór chluisteil agus tá am trá go lá hín sin was hartta dóchlog sa lá sa saharing agus sin an tám a bhí me cinál I ggóil agus I ráir tic so yeah.
It must have been that. Yeah, must
You PC eile iconic an like na splitting an deirlach agus chrí mis sin dhéana agus it was just no good. But
Whoopsie.
Could you fin brad an fasa because sin gro ihantí maitheo gan like he's an
The supercale show on India and I fucking is proud of supercale. It's just crack it eye like there's facky gum nes some feather in us. Hunting with like in that really random iron car like a reach like trad faster and that was just like surreal. But then Vishanish, this was more their element. Like the Ella was like a like can the pub really like tourist like touristy iron but clear. Agus bhí seo obviously I leir a mask na gael.
Bhfuil me se le fearí na seachna as dúirt sé go bhfuair sé super céalaí fa chuine afters a bhanis.
Yeah.
Like that is the best idea a chula me Rio.
Hold off a couple dinne at sin dantaku.
Like 100% be me fáil iad sin nó grúpa coslo leis an dhéanamh because I mean a crack a bheith ag gahanana.
Oh, bit of class.
Yeah.
No, we put on the fast go
Oh.
Very, very disappointed.
Oh.
On Pinta Guinness. I know.
No, James.
I know go dáir ma ag dó chugamádin. I know. Go bin an Tom. I know go bin an timestamp. But fós.
Mohí nach walking with you sa bhd an fasa James. Rotúis tí sa teomar tosí.
Bhí mis is a cool agus sa back ho an ámar fad a híine.
Oh, de híine, okay.
Yeah.
Listen, he's a chancel. That's all he was doing. He was flat out.
Yeah. From a go Pinty Guinness.
Like, be Killian and give her pool de híine. I was like, this is crazy. Busted leis.
Yeah, bhí mis probably total opposite side go Gealaí is a front Kimmer's pool, Mr. Back just kind of shite.
Can I just say, right? Féile's just Shara. Cillian ag Féile na Gealaí in his element. Right, Visha. Oh, up done crack like in Tamer Fod. Like thing they knock with us and I feel weird but to just Tasha this an Agran Shaw is your first episode of the Seansálaithe. But one of Willis boyfriend to Janya. Neil Gaelic, yeah. But the Fulham, I guess Hanik Shah ag Féile na Gealaí, literally trial by fire and real alarm road. I said Jenny Iraq and Tamer Fod. He's literally Gerhard ahan doing Gaelic dúspar like to the best.
Ní smó again na hog me fi jaru agus vi ní smó just sort Albertí nádartha ige chat like nach rower sweetuer so le shade. Now during dúirt sé hain gur chuidí sé cúpla jocha bheige.
Yeah.
100% just dúirt sé just wahí sé gronní smó muoine ige an méidir bhí aige úsáid. But just bhí on nar bhí duine ag na Lorting Gaelic leis go sé albalta fragra a thuirt go nádartha go tapi. So obviously tá níos mó aige na thug mis bhí deara. So caiimi se inis iireachtaí na Gaelic a Lord leis nar táid le héin.
Yeah.
Béis sin aiste, mar dhéanana go leorn mar béla goní lena chéile, but
sin rud like nar buin to the thing like stiger gently being your show where it's like in Ked Channel or into le dinne se an Delhi and sin dul heag changa eile like mohim sa aiste nar a bul majinge le dinge nachhol Gaelic acu agus gen majinge ar after Lord Marla as our gore as
me
yeah just mohim like ní mailam shot like her Harvey but so taking shit like this is literally
you shouldn't just more heal
to say a garage in Europe Lord Marla dinge
like nervy criminal le dubh like you vi mu id a haach agus vi mu cans in réilge and then so vi do cuasin de hard tí an as you was chin hos má lá béle as you just a feel al hot take is má lá béle like vi mo chaúns vi I don't know kid a vi an but like actually do it the housemates do it se go numa do hoigil figure amach kid that James actually raw. I think go sin ingweilge agus a méle.
Agus mar, yeah.
Me no English.
They're just canon ledger, do you know what I mean? Like to just you're a
I can imagine like if I probably fi bring go heel rive kinál my great my machas Connemara ich heb man nach canon to beham.
Oh my god, Gator tuna.
just red shot, just you were just like, yeah, ten glor here and look la han in your heart.
Like you mentioned brand Disney channels, my brand way, you know, Dylan's Cole's Bros shit. Lauren Bird saying exactly mar Gealaí.
Jertar goni James Gurbe Michigan this a Dylan is Cole Sprouse na well. Jertar, right?
That's should I exactly
much right? This is like sweet life of sweet life of Jack and Huey. Should have died about.
Moet ik net dus just
re-hearted out.
Trolleys was just in those Molly he's just slapping the cans down.
Yeah, ooh. Banished you up the Nerthus or banished it in Glen Eagle being like Mr. Mosby, like just torch mod.
Okay. Buaicphointí Féile Gealaí. Hugh, go on.
Oh, cash my. The mission on Cliente, agus mal red Joe Jack attack because it's because Dingy Austin and ag sin culture into going absolutely ham. Or in the vigil. Yeah, I think a mission and I think Duhain anyway. That was like and part just the Féile Gealaí. When man made some sultas. Do you know what actually bliana? She like mad weird take do so anyway. You know about like really against in ceol like her name, which is weird. Do you like what's your brother beyond? I think bliana ni akama for some reason like amazing beyond nach wakama la faden le. So if you miss just like a cat, if you miss just chill heart things you know a bun sultas a crack lahing it, and then suddenly then like Vinny Hart, and I was like, wait, hold on a second, V like I think you're a cow commercial and so like yeah, second on agus so yeah, so need like kind of not kind my heart because obviously Vima it can't having use V cracker doigan but yeah, then the Jeremy like and called and yeah, definitely Joe Jack attack. These brad and facet.
Shouldn't ni nag mahagri kasu after the one go.
Oh yeah
100%. James, Buaicphointí?
Either if fall amach go be purple moda apparently. There's cool. There's good ordinary is your mark t-shirt as you like raw. The brand are really different. You might like I don't know can fall. Just car t-shirt. I think this purple honey smooth. I'm like okay. Nu na bhí jiggy ar státe agus tháinig an Fhéile sí samas bhí sé gur picture hoigalm.
Oh my god.
Bhí caradí really stupid.
Sorry, an mosh pit ag jiggy nar léim sí stas is lua
and to see caiú like in leather jacket and agus the sunglasses
yeah.
Literally I think it just chuma timppel slú agus choid ma piece AD way gach in form agus just chama armhéna agus yeah we should get a picture so sin gonna Buaicphointí yeah.
That was so yeah we're glad German whatever I guess this is like we do shots out there knows our Tommy Schlog like you can the lad Viper.
Well on thinking to hear go rudí me Gary in the nav my Gary brand cos and was that the legend at Mean Girls. You don't even go here.
Oh, stop.
Because in Hood Summers and sunglasses.
Oh, right. She's near hitting me more man reference in a herbe.
I guess cap on Shania and you're, you know, shy the genre is fair lads.
But she's not mean, Hugh.
No, and you're
just a girl.
She's just a girl standing in front of a ball.
Just a girl.
So he's ag Oberns and Saran Shaw hí snathlón agus hís ar iRadio Tá genú seoní beag be beá amhaach actually nar tagan na chláir seo ar nar tagan an agan seama but tá gus a bhí gobar ar an nuachtam agus chuime se whatever was all good. I was much country Braille because and Tom Jeremy must on was more Braille agus Jeremy Braille. I was like, oh yeah, we should really jazz. As oh yeah, a my cash or can or a Braille sekis that you obviously me abroad. I was like, all right, cool. I was like, avi ma fi do. And I was like, oh my god, some crazy. The cat might grow to Nishinya. I was there oh wait, Kenny's this it. I was there misha oh to my fi shocked. There are yarms that this woman screamed. Suller which bra are there 27 agus mis gal te like I score like an fucking machine over Shaw le krill whatever and I nearly like carva hypema air fod earn machine
an complimentation mar he she worked in his oigen
capshi groma fi car
oh Alan
yeah there's a couple things in them actually at times my heart they're out from a face shaft and they were like no to the car not like
yeah the baby face of it.
And I think Foster's more rash on him kind of much courage. I was like I think it's more y'all could be in Magenu like TikToks and it's not cringe. Like I think like nurse waiting to her like the to Harva try or TikTok sometimes it's not the best of content. Whereas chance of I'd say when you think of niece no I'm sure I'm just so good at what I do. But no but it's to the point where like vi mis go taken aback like get a bunch of mahastí that brewman crippa me chart BR an air agus like skip my jobs like he basically like she literally who she BR in there and she was like come on shot listen north and I pressed the wrong button and then it just played like the sport sound and stuff or whatever like okay well I'm just gonna end in sport I guess and mission like you see like as a core being like I fucked it I've really I've made a mess
so vi chuneal óg
yeah exactly
cos le mo an pelle fi láir hí mis mar an darne duine is sinne mo for an pelle an chluhéid dimmer ma
oh my god
yeah they're keeping me young or I'm feeling old agus need more moisturizer gober chomá dat I can't you a dini fekel me a pork is it's like that is a 28-year-old lad.
SPF ahanilla lá.
Oh,
see an tip of Togums to James is that go guy to falsa and so that you stay inside and Tammerpod. Gymí tú stí gimmers clíhí ná bí dolamid ag aclí at ar version or whatever because that just stretches it all out.
Yeah, because we should 10 ice again Tammerpod, lifting weights at gym and we here in bark sun exposure.
Shimmer James.
What's that in a rigary weightlifting face you echo Higlavarker and Vishan.
Yeah. I think I'm already
one more time.
I think I'm already my go.
Okay, and you could have the buaicphointí go Féile na Gealaí.
Is stoilm ag arc ar mo partner ag aimsú grad an
boo it was a goal am has copy new Pauline and getting absolutely blasted Shannon buaicphointí
I mean talk about genius marketing kind of I heard the falling plug the Maradich na Mali na tote bags agus na copan sin as na copy ni swinging inta sin hortig Féile the gailgurí sílam go gadú an pagan ravera ní rugby mar sin rúfeici go min mohíl bhí a hanna có I think loose combine is just really illigid bhí really cos le bheith ag Féile págánach like bhí a hanna dausar bhealach na ghaci mé iadrí with dausa cos le náhar cráhar bífach is a chur hahan sin an original tá thuirta an just ionta bhrálamí ag galleries definitely. So sin definitely
Bín cin hís daingen go réalta nach bhíon bín cin like a proper pagan rave
Féile na beltainine na
Beidir Féile beltainine bín cum a class or ahanna am effectum yeah just Féile na beltainine well I think bhí searsúlaigh Féile na beltainine but I think bín searsúil am an tiile a réit na bliana. But bhín cuma clásair an
Sílam go maiid gur gadún buchas a gáil le idéil agus hána ruúa agus Tá cinnte go nearna cuiomh glóir bricéin á sí anam líana so ahanana bhí buinte le féile na Gealaí rinne sibh job just do chreite am líana.
I will say bhí fairly mai ag cuiomh céim fá naró sí bhí agus cóthir just with the new happily married couple leis le Jennifer tá chud cuiomh tá Jennifer le bhí muidir fád scála ceile.
Fiú an talín is 100 an deir seach na seo bhí cótáit álinn de Rónán leis an Duransnéir, bhí stuff jazz from Palestine, bhí just an paintal as an iireach na chuiste sa chuma den éile bhí sé álinn am léana so ceartó bheith an bhródú las go hin.
An bhí an comedy ionta mai is tí sa phobal sin is tí le taig hickey agus le agus ceala bhí wait, I'm just checking my notes here. Ceala bhí genú gigin sin an James acting seo.
But imagine ceach an mór is fééis rudí chéblin eile nar bhééis cumar is spell na gaalta de seach an rive and then on éile tíach taréis.
Honestly, is fiú dún just fannachtí san sin.
Literally sin rud bhí ra. I was like, and will we just kind of airsan a chur a gís in ish, like will we just and it's just fun with cheese.
Albert, let's do it. Yeah.
Well, the toilet is recurring it like Katie.
Mooney would round Féile the hue has been much go bra.
A bhí muid gimmart. Bhí muid shit. A gimmart is a strong word, but
we're too grimmer Muhammad for gunye truck.
Come let's go. Sorry.
I just heard.
Yes, I'm kidding.
Yeah, Cillian agus Keith McCushla, couple din ó chun den chlár agus couple din na gailóga mai pocal hart agus Jerry Lum Hugh Isle leis an slitter wulu. Wul sin slitter Jerry Muchin, so take it as a win, take it as a big success.
Well, it was in Kedrick in Yarlow, like literally beat the secret cash tar to like how to give up to basically Vita came up with a grip shot out there and Rodriguez came out with a whole stiff whatever and I was like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally in a seal on one Neil Shaw Jantagum real.
Tá dí marm ná nar Honey James amá leis an slitter wulu.
Well bhí muid kickal an níomhráid bug heart agus bhí we're having a great free time but the Ahawan sin heroes really ag pokal heart, but I would say natural mishik pokal heart to her, but that's more of a skill issue than a ganavation.
Féile na Gealaí faoi chuig chucky hiúráis as bei sé just dochrete ag gan manchas ag bell. Tá sé chun bheith tréna leis na gailógan is don chéad bliana eile.
Put me properly just like jacked. Hench. Be my bleeding massive. Be my bleeding huge. Bleeding massive. Tá so go mór leis. But it's like tús sour in that sin and road like that sin is like tús sour in the rail. But we miss rash like in the much courage air. Like this is gonna sound like 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 abandonment issues or whatever, but like Neil ein rod more gleilach in ish either Shaw agus Nerachtas. And I'm like but Sean Rod, I'm like how much imach the way okay, how much running at the end. I'm already getting the cravings like the way a mass in the Gaelish, and it's only been like cookish. I'm already like I'm just really Gary just a bit of jiggy. That's not another way to yell her.
She don't wear and Féile I go guys.
Feice tú Reinsteiny ag electric picnic gonna Gael it means on.
Yeah.
Well, it's not to say I know it's nie able can, but you get a little taster like
little blushing.
A little appetizer. I guess Queen the Wolligin lawn because you know this.
But ní chuinn sé do Wolligin Gaelige lawn cofada sin no mar bearlóí heart.
Yeah, like an lad as Conda Claire that was just floating around. Hey. The guy.
Enough.
Oh my god. Tá má mágu though. But I think, do you know what? I think ro blian size chill looking Emliana, I think. Just a gomparaj lanari, I think it wasn't. Better go Misha just because we Misha it can't shite and Tamar fod. That I'm against. I'm like, we've got to
No,
relax.
same team lads. Yeah.
Ag Féile Gealaí.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, bhí sé soft chill, in fairness.
Og seo honey. A honey rash again go clog man you desire.
Yeah. Yeah.
But not out of devilment. Shannon Rose.
No.
But not out of
Of
devilment.
course not.
No,
But
obviously
but
not. Tá just a géisteach le Lewis Capaldi fi láir.
oh Jesus.
Heavily
it's
kind
that
of state of
bad.
mind, so just come a pack of wahoo, I mean.
Jesus Christ.
No, in fact, no, bhí sé chill, but I'll tell you one thing. Má tá go Féile I ríist. Nach chuir message bhfuil cinál cryptic ag buchagar aine a bhfuil do air mattress aige. By accident just my yes and no. Agus sin chodama an sachtan deirseachtar fad ar fair is trim a pobl. So I can safely say go orm stretches, massage gun,
Yeah.
ice bath, sauna, chudíine just chun
PM.
móchan marim á ash.
So my gaffalish and do you just endure to massage gun. It was so kind of our
Massage gun. Massage gun.
Massage gun.
Operation?
Massage gun.
No, they're too different like of motion.
It is? Massage
Yeah.
gun.
Massage gun.
We'll do the replay in it, the instant replay.
Oh. Wat gon techno licht.
No, there's like a whole, you know, I mean, well, can't even show air mattress in the, that was my investment in the end. So it's just though, my gosh, you know, like I feel like that road to, you know, igdol lahai cursi romance, ig Féile, you know, Seansálaithe nisgurt ig EP, na to that for the Féile Gealaí, whatever. I said can't la ban, I get or can't la fire, just change her really my whatever. I said like alright, right, charts rashing with football, whatever, and you're to call good, whatever, and then tagging to a rash, and then lahai like Jag one, which you just have to watch and be like, Gary Akers Swiss Street.
Such a dick.
Immediate, like taking a like Darrow Misha and Buzz Shin as girl Lockman thing you hate football, and I was like, sorry, in fair that fun check, which I just need to hyperventilate. Like vein echo was so fast that you vein on the end. So that's my, you know, should my tip away the Féile chip is Glock live kind in the fans book shin, you know, like the mini like fans you're afraid that a shade Swiss and road that
yeah.
You know,
agus fan le tú a uú nar gúsin tú imagine mar oh my god
he's a whole che oh my god
as bhí an léir mí ar bhré bhí hata ólinarm agus bhí dhé gansiir mar bhí se cófuair na bhí me dul choú bhí me go chun basa nar gúsin mar imagine bhí se cotation
bhí me chain an model Holly, but it's because and it's like and sleeping bag at all but can go afraid like the current air matches is John. But ní hé and air matches care in the beyond, so like sort especially chant or whatever. So it was like basically Kerma Hanish John cocoon
he's swaddled.
Literally like it was literally just like a hobnod. So like then immediately check because Euro aid splashing Pladol. So Michigary like Ahu position and it was literally like I don't know Mohushak like a large childbirth. It was literally like I was just in kid the pop alama. Oh, actually, Curtin to give you arm. Ma find of chance. And I'd say Gamish our Netflix and our HBO when it's gone well. Can't let Daniel Sloss on man show or in Saturn Shin. I guess that's a free Ashton of a more ahead than Kedder. And basically goes through the sunread the childbirth like in gruesome detail, isn't that when clear Easter? But there's a whole grammar and Jerhing nur tagging shama like more like show taff of the mesha jenny go my faster like fish ho kalush the kennyella so some mauling egg more.
Okay.
But yeah, fish just gas. Absolutely gas. Well, in with that, The game you're playing it in the end debrief.
No, I think that's some note to like read new art.
To be like group child.
Yeah,
Hugh gave birth to himself every night. Shouldn't die if you fail in the Gealaí. Shouldn't and review. Well, Sinead and the Shanty Chatty Chugger, mil maigad for the K-Start Lynn, but to Gary, much an answer and the man host them, which are Shanty or Instagram, Shanty or Twitter, Shanty or YouTube. Basically, like a little mo weightlifting face, Mark through and fish and chatting shots. So it's really is few but the Gary anywhere Amsterdam man host testing more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. But the Gary James Amsterdam man host testing more flower talk or Instagram, flower talk or Twitter, agus flower talk or TikTok. Was about the Gary Mahin Amsterdam man host to have more Hugh Carr your Instagram, Hugh Carr your Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. And with good guy much a flogalnish so before we made car merry way.
Béimiis go London ar seachtain seo in GB agus France agus tá special edition jerseys go for na hating go in honor go Jim Steins cean ródaithe na hating in jacha gon Astral agus sé duine smú I riomh immer consecutive matches in AFL ever. Agus Calua agus was a gimmert son an Jim Steins Foundation atá a ganzi so mat begéire léamhsús faoi luoch éidir noch a bhfuil mar absolute Hall of Famer hí san AFL Brandús a Jim Steins as mat begéire cúpa ping hús go carnach má tá Jim Steins Foundation tradition an agus léamhsús sin also tá fósbal le Toronto but Philippine is on now go dtí an tournament béis se agus in Irish Cancer Society so má a aonanna ag gcéire síntús a thuirt béis se go áit má
Irish Cancer Society a great bunch of lads. Hot take. I know.
Yeah.
And hot take. That's a really jazz. Like the other yarn was like waiting with the flugall. It's like either nothing or like they would just do like random gig. But you were actually really. I feel like now you're laying with to back that up in your heartbeat.
I mean, because earned to being and Roddy Earn would just sort of like let us off. It's like éis linne or to win the Gulliver ag Féile or win the Genu Podgirl go. So we should need to jazz gyms.
Yeah, we just like assholes now. Shouldn't
Hey, I gotta build myself up somehow.
Ma ceapan go to sich an pingin alúimsan after what you just put. I won't even of course much career good. Should I agar on the chance be Rash Reach try to le agar na chance a sin when you be sold messenger shopping. Slán.